inside and I can't go outside to practice, I throw on my favorite training aid. It's called GravityFit, and this is how it works. I like GravityFit because it helps me with two reasons. The first reason is it wakes up my muscles. A good drill to help you wake up your muscles with the GravityFit is to put your arms inside the loops. You extend your arms, then you extend your butt, and you make tiny circles.
Ow, ow, ow.
The second reason why I like GravityFit is because it helps me keep a better posture. There are 3 circles on the back of the GravityFit that should be able to touch your shoulder blades and your spine. I tend to slouch a lot, so GravityFit reminds me to keep a neutral posture. GravityFit helps me with my golf, and it helps me with my daily life. There's actually a third reason why I like GravityFit. GravityFit not only helps me wake up my muscles and have better posture, but it also helps me with my golf swing. So when I play golf, I tend to let my arms get too close to my body. But with GravityFit, it helps me extend my arms. So when using GravityFit, I make tiny practice swings, pushing against the bands and making it straight. When I do this, it helps me make better golf swings. Hi, my name is Alex Liu, and this is how we do it.
Bye from GLT Gas Store now.